Two hands clap and there is a sound. What is the sound of one hand? Easy. A slap. I get one.
How do we explain the unexplainable? This question has inspired numerous myths, religious practices, and scientific inquiries. But Zen Buddhists practicing throughout China from the 9th to 13th century asked a different question. Why do we need an explanation?
They weren't the only ones though. If I remember right, there were some Greeks as well.
For these monks, blindly seeking answers was a vice to overcome, and learning to accept the mysteries of existence was the true path to enlightenment.
Is that right? A vice to overcome is ignorance, which leads to bliss. Makes
But
sense.
fighting the urge to explain the unexplainable can be difficult. So, to help practice living with these mysteries, the meditating monks used a collection of roughly 1,700 bewildering and ambiguous philosophical thought experiments called koans.
So, because we are thinking animals and thought can lead to misery, especially if it goes down paths where no answer can be expected, they decided to distract our minds with koans. Sounds like a poem. And I remember Richard Feynman talking about how he is okay with not knowing certain things. There are enough things to discover, right?
The name, originally Kung An in Chinese, translates to public record or case. But unlike real-world court cases, koans were intentionally incomprehensible. They were surprising, surreal.
Oh. So, is that a joke there? Because real world court cases are pretty incomprehensible. Maybe intentionally is the bit. That's a joke.
And frequently contradicted themselves.
Of course.
On the surface, they contained a proverb about the Zen Buddhist monastic code, such as living without physical or mental attachments, avoiding binary thinking, and realizing one's true.
Right or wrong, hot or not, day or night, sun or moon, binary thinking, right? This is what I suspect as well, that we are not very good at counting.
Buddha nature. But by framing those lessons as a